Hey y'all, welcome back to 4 Adventures. It's hung once again. It is pretty chilly right now, but yeah, welcome back. Today we got somewhat of a short video. It's a short installation video, hopefully, of the HikeIT Throttle response controller. Finally, all the parts are in, so hopefully it shouldn't take that long. Just have to disconnect the existing connection and then just put this in between. So sounds pretty straightforward. So yeah, let's take a look at what we have here. We have the brains of the unit right there, and this just connects to existing connection, and then you have another cable here that connects through the controller itself right here via this little white connector. Once that is done, you just find a nice place somewhere in the Jeep that you can secure this. There is some tape at the back, and you know, just put it somewhere that you can actually see it, and then switch your modes. So that's pretty straightforward. Right now I'm just waiting for the Jeep to cool down. As per instructions, it says wait 10 to 15 minutes before installing. You don't want to throw a check engine light, so gonna let that do its thing. But other than that, let's get into the Jeep and start removing some bolts. You'll need a 10mm socket, and that's pretty much it. It might be a little bit hard to get into because it's right under the steering column, so somewhere near the steering column. So without further ado, let's get in there. Alright guys, so space is kind of tight here. First thing you want to do is just remove this panel right here, and this will give you access to the 2 bolts. It's pretty straightforward. Just you can just kind of pull this out like that, and then you have 2 bolts here, and the 2 10mm. Pretty straightforward. All right, it looks like it's going to be a bit of work to get in, wedged in pretty far. Hopefully you guys can actually see this. It is right there, this connector. I gotta disconnect this one right here, and then pop the brains of the unit in there. So this might prove challenging to get the camera in. This is not made for a big person like me. All right, let's try to get that connector off. All right, guys, this is not going to work, so I'm going to try and disconnect that connector off and update you shortly. All right, just got it disconnected. This buddy right here. Finally got it installed. Anyways, it's up there. I got to put the clip back on. You can see the red clip there. Oh, all right. Now I just got to make the other connection, and I'll catch you back. I'll catch back with you. Let me catch my breath. Digging in there is not fun. All right, be right back. All right, guys. Gotta admit that was not an easy install. It was pretty much back-breaking. I had to like go on my back and do all sorts of weird yoga moves and kind of fit underneath there. So Not an easy install, but it's done. It took me probably another 15 minutes or so. Yeah, it's all done. Right now, the car is on. No engine light. So far, no engine light, so everything is good to go. It is on the off state or off option right now. So there are about 10 options altogether. There's the cruise control, there's the sport, this is the racing mode, auto mode, the off mode, and then we have economy, jump, overtake, anti-theft. That sounds interesting. And then selecting automatic transmission and ambient sensor. So currently I think I have it on manual, and I need to hold it for 3 seconds so it turns to automatic mode since I'm running the automatic. Alright, so yeah, now it's just about choosing what modes I'm gonna be playing with, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna leave it on the auto mode for now, so it learns my driving habits. And once that is done, I'm gonna probably switch it to economy mode and see how much gas I'm saving. Currently, I think I'm doing, let's see, how much am I doing right now? About 15.6 liters per 100 kilometers. So gonna, I don't know, play around for a month and see how, if that value goes down. But so far so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on auto mode for now, and then go from there. This does, the anti-theft throttle lock sounds interesting, so I might play around with that later. But other than that, won't be racing. Not going to be a speeding or anything like that, so auto mode is probably the best for now, and then switch over to the economy mode and see how much gas I can save with these 35-inch wheels. But now it's just, where do I want to place this? I was thinking down here, down right in here, or on the side where everyone places it. Whoops. So yeah, up here ideally I want to have it up here where I can see it, but I didn't need to come up with a mount or something like that. So, but yeah, here, down here, harder to see, but it's probably the best. Or down in here, both sides are easy to access. So all right, we'll see how that goes, but for now I'm just gonna let it hang right here for a bit. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye.